Gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. So this time out, I'm going back to my affiliate links that I have, and I do have several, and obviously I've blacked out the logins and the passwords here, but here's a lot of affiliate links that you can go into. So basically, you're probably aware what affiliate links are, right? It's other people's products that you promote on your websites, your YouTube channel, whatever the case may be. And of course, these are all legitimate products. I make sure these are quality products before I push anything. So I would suggest you do that as well. So speaking of a quality product, at least in my opinion, is the Adobe suite of products. And so what I've been doing lately is trying to, because I haven't been in these affiliate links in a long time, is to go back and get back into them and start to use them again. So with Adobe, what I'm going to do is look at the old platform that I used to be in, because they switched over according to this November 1st of 2022. And I'm all confused as to how to get the links and the banners from the new program. So I went out to YouTube and I looked all over the freaking place and I could not figure it out for the life of me. So basically this video is twofold, and I'll make other videos on other affiliate programs if you like. If this video gets enough hits, comments, and so on, I'll keep going with like a series of affiliate sites that you can go and sign, and we'll sign up for them and everything. But we're going to stick with Adobe this particular time. We're going to try to switch this old platform over to their newer platform, and then we're going to sign up for a new platform on another YouTube channel that I'm using. So that's for this particular video. So let's get going and see what's going on with this Adobe this Adobe affiliate program. So if you're an Adobe affiliate program and you're wondering what the hell went on here, sign into your old account, and this is through tradedoubler.com. And I don't remember ever getting this email, but I haven't used affiliate links in a long time. So here's the email that they sent out, which very well could be. So we're going to click on this new link here, and there's the link. Holy schmongoli, it's not a small link, is it? So we'll click on that. All right, so this is where, if you're newer, you can sign up for the program, and we'll do that with my new business email. Or if you already have a business, which you can see right here, and let me just grab this and put this over my other Chrome. So this is what is today. That's my separate business, and this is My Media Helper, my main business. So let's go in here. Let's go to View Accounts. All right, so now I'm just trying to discover, okay, where can we get banners? Where can we get links? This is where you can try out the product and purchase the product and so on. But what's not clicking in my head, I don't know if I'm just being stupid or not, but it's not clicking in my head as to how to go about and do that. Now I have old affiliate links I could use if that's the case, but I'm going to do a deep dive into this. So after a certain amount of time, things did work out in my brain and I figured it out. So let me tell you this, if you had an Adobe affiliate program before, watch this video all the way. If you haven't before, skip to the end and I'll show you how to set up a new Adobe affiliate program. You don't need to see this because this really has nothing to do with your situation if you've never had an Adobe affiliate program. So the issue is that this trouble doubler, and I'm pointing at it like you can see, I'll try my mouse this time, pointing at it. This trouble doubler was the facilitator of the Adobe affiliate program once upon a time. And now Partnerize is doing it, this Partnerize. So that's kind of what wasn't clicking in my head. And so I did have an account with Partnerize, but obviously here's my campaigns and commissions. Adobe's not on there. And when I went to join campaigns, yes, Adobe's right there, front and center. I can join it, and I'm going to do it in just a minute. But it wasn't there before because they didn't facilitate the Adobe program before. So what I had to do is contact Partnerize, because I found out because they're facilitating the Adobe affiliate account now. I had to contact their customer service to let them know, and they put it on my account. So this was never here before when I tried to get back into my Adobe affiliate program to get new links, get new banners, things of that nature. So that's the situation that's going on. And here's some emails from customer service I want to share with you. So basically, when I went here, um, so when I went to try to get into my old affiliate links, and I did get this message, and I did open this up, and I did get this particular email, and I did click on this link, and I did open this link, and this is where I was getting multiply confused. Okay, apply now, but I'm already an Adobe affiliate. Or I already have, I'm sorry, I already have a Partnerize account. I just don't have Adobe on my Partnerize account as of yet because they switched over from Trade Doubler. So that is where I was totally getting so effing confused beyond belief. And yeah, now it's pretty clear. I mean, you can sign into this and certainly go to let me see. You can go use their products like I showed. Sorry, I'm just trying to get to show you. So you can open this. And this is where you can sign up for a new affiliate account. But if you've already had one, this is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to view account. So, okay. And it's like, I'm looking all around wait a minute, there's no affiliate information here. There's no links or banners. It's just to test their product because that's all this page is. Account.adobe.com is to use their products, buy their products and stuff like that. It's not for affiliate links or anything. So that's where I was getting uber confused. And if you had an affiliate program before with Adobe, perhaps you were getting uber confused. And that's what this video is about. So let's close all this shit out because we don't need it. Partnerize. Okay, so let's go to the emails. So I forgot how I initially contacted them. I think I just went to my account on Partnerize and Partnerize and Partnerize, and just contacted them. So here's my series of emails through support. Very good, very intuitive. They were very responsive. And let's see, it says we have added Adobe and all available Partnerize campaigns to your account. So they weren't there before. So that's great. So make sure you email Partnerize customer service. And if you are finding that you had an old, an old campaign under the other, the trouble doubler, trade doubler, because I'm not going to worry about them anymore because I don't have any. Well, I have other campaigns through them, just not campaigns anymore. So that was the situation. So once they got that's what I got once I got the response email. Then I went over to my account and then I went to join campaigns because this is what they explained in the email, right? They said, just follow up on this. And that's exactly what they said here. Navigate to the campaigns tab, select the tab join campaigns, click or search relevant Adobe, check the box for campaign you wish to join. And that's great, which I will do right now. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click Adobe. I'm going to click the terms. I'm going to select campaign, request and rejected, so that my request is in to join that campaign. So the next part of this video is to start fresh, sign up for a brand new account when you were never an Adobe affiliate in the first place. So all right, let's sign up for a new Adobe affiliate program account. And the link, of course, will be in the description. And then you can read all that at your convenience. We'll apply now. I don't know if this makes a difference between UK and the United States. I would assume it does, or why would they differentiate? What am I doing? What is today? I can't even think. What is today at mymediahelper.com? Confirm what is today at mymediahelper.com. Okay, so username, what is today? And password. I'm not going to tell you what it is. So we'll go. Fat fingered it. Okay, and we will continue. I'm going to save that up here. And then country is wherever you live. I can't tell you. I'm hoping you know. Company address, okay. Send me greeting card or something. That would be awesome. I wonder if they want the city and state and stuff like that. I guess not. Okay. All right, we're going to the next step. Let's see. Vertical. So I'm assuming it's what our stuff's about. I would say more soft blogging. Maybe not media. I would say media. I mean, it is called My Media Helper. Right? Computers and electronic. I mean, it could go either way. Partner type. Content. Website URL. Crap. So I don't legitimately have. I wonder if they can do a YouTube site. That would be an interesting thing to see if they'll do a YouTube site. So let's try that. See if that works or not. So in here, we'll grab the site. We'll see if that goes. Company name. I mean, technically, it's My Media Helper. Shit. What is today? And then. Okay, so make sure you read the terms and conditions. Oh, excuse me. Close. Accept. I'm a human being. Stairs. I've fallen down a few of those. Verify. Sign up. Okay, verification email sent. So verification email has been sent to the email address linked to this account. Click the link in the email and complete. Yada, yada, yada. So we'll go over to here. And I don't think I've ever received an email from here. Welcome to Partnerize. Get started today. Partnerize. So that's the service they go through. We will allow this. We're excited to have you join our award-winning platform. We work with some of the biggest and most recognized brands. So that's just tutorials that you can go through. Let's verify this email here. Okay, verify email. Email address verified. We'll go back over here and we'll log in. Okay, so what is today? I'm not a robot. Log in. Oops, I didn't choose language. I don't know if that fucking matters or not. Okay, so welcome to Partnerize. We're excited to see you join our award-winning platform. The brief guide will help you finalize. Disable your ad blocker, yada, yada. Before we start, ensure new interface toggle is on. Before we start, ensure that the new interface toggle is set on. Oh, okay, the toggle's up here. Let's go. All right, so where are we going? Okay. So please check opt-in policy box. Check this box to receive market communications from. So include. Okay, next. This domain is provided when you signed up. If you have more domains, navigate back here after completing this guide and click Manage. Okay. Click to save to continue. If you'd like a tour around the key around the platform, click Next. Okay. So the admin menu is where you configure your account settings and include company settings and payment settings. Okay. Dashboard is default login page. If you give an overview of your previous performance. Campaigns is where you can apply to join a new campaign, accept invitation from brands, and views details of the campaigns you are approved on. All right. Tracking is where you can find your tracking links for approved campaigns. Okay. Content is where you can find banners, text, links. That's what I'm looking for to feed for approved brand campaigns. Content. Okay. Reporting analytics is where you can view analytics. Okay. Payment is where you can withdraw approved available commissions. Okay. Click the light bulb and access the resource center where you can view products. Okay. And my big dopey head is in the way. Congratulations, you have completed the guide. If you need any help on the platform, check out the resource center. Getting help started guide. I'll just open that and if it allows me to. Cool. Okay. And let's finish. All right. Very good. So what I want to do is sign up for Adobe brand. So can I find Adobe? Campaigns, join campaigns. Adobe, look at that. So let's hit Adobe. And so Adobe, select all. Okay. Just select a campaign. Requested. All right, very good. We'll see what happens. Right, and then after a certain amount of time, I forget how long it took. It only takes a day or two to get approved. And this is a totally different business, a different account. So that's why you're only seeing one campaign and commission, and it's just Adobe because I want them on both businesses because I want it all, baby. So that's it, gals and guys. So that's how to, if you had an old affiliate account, to get it to a newer platform or just to start fresh. And I hope you got a lot out of this. Either way, please subscribe if you haven't already. And please like if you like this video. Of course, like it if you hated it. And then share this with the masses and hit the bell for updates. And that's it. I'm going to go make another video. All right. Catch you later. Bye.